Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the sheet and focus on the exact range you need, not the whole workbook. First action, add a helper column next to your data and enter equals COUNTIF, AAA2. This counts matches for each cell. When you copy it down, results greater than one show repeats. You do this to separate detection from deletion, which prevents accidental loss. Once done, you'll see numbers beside each row that tell you which entries need attention. Next, filter the helper column for values greater than 1 so you can inspect duplicates in context. Alternatively, apply conditional formatting with the rule equals COUNTIF, AAA2, one to visually highlight duplicates, that way you scan faster. Make sure to account for subtle differences. Wrap trim and lower around comparisons when spaces or case create false unique values. Also, lock ranges with $ when referencing fixed columns. This ensures the rule or formula behaves consistently as you copy or extend it. When you're ready to clean up, first duplicate the sheet so you can roll back if needed. Then either use data remove duplicates for a quick cleanup or delete rows that your helper column filtered as duplicates. After removal, clear the helper column and rerun a quick check to verify uniqueness. If you don't see duplicates highlighted, make sure your COUNTIF range matches the actual data, confirm $ anchors are correct, and trim hidden spaces or not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.